Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have this beautiful question on the board that we need to solve. So, me looking at this question, we know that it is from exponential equation, which means we're going to apply indices in solving questions like this. So how do we go about it? We'll write the question first. The question says the square root of 3 to the power of the square root of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 all over the square root of x. Now, we have to write this one inside the square root. Why? Because we want to write the square root in indices format. Remember that from indices, a root means a fractional power. So now let's write this root as a fractional power. So I'm going to be writing this one first, which is 3 to the power of root x. Now I want to express this root as a fractional power. Remember that this is square root, right? And square roots in fractional power can be half, 1 over 2. So this is how to express square roots as a power. Square root means a power of half. So this means this, equal to 3 to the power of 1 all over the square root of x. Now, let's focus our attention on this. Notice that there is a power inside the bracket and there is a power outside of the bracket. It's just as saying a to the power of m inside the bracket, then to another power of n outside the bracket. From indices, it means this power inside can be used to multiply the power outside, which means m times n. Look at it here, m times n. So m times n will actually give you what? Mn. So we're going to be applying the same thing here. Now watch me do this. So this becomes 3. Now this power inside will be multiplying the power outside. So square root of x times 1 over 2. This gives you the square root of x over 2. You see that? Very simple. Equal to, now I have 3 to the power of 1 all over the square root of x on the right hand side. Now notice, what I have on the left, which is the base on the left, is the same as the base on the right. And since the base are the same, we can equate their powers. So we can say equate powers. You see that? Equate powers. The power on the left is square root of x over 2 equal to the power on the right is 1 all over the square root of x. So easy way to go around this is to cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. Very simple step. So which means this square root of x will cross to multiply this square root of x here. So square root of x will be multiplying square root of x equal to this 2 will cross to multiply 1. So 2 will be multiplying 1. So square root of s times square root of s will give you square root of s squared, right? Good. Equal to 2 times 1 will give you 2. Now notice that square root and a square can cancel. And what will be left? X equal to 2. So the value of s, which the question requires us to look for, is equal to 2. How simple this is. If you can follow this step one after the other, I tell you, you're not going to be wrong. You will always be right. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming video. What are you waiting for? Do not hesitate. Subscribe if you haven't. And like I always say, until next time, take care.